Someone's got the hiccups.
Aw, we
Who's got?
shouldn't be laughing at your discomfort.
Oh, she's okay.
It's Daddy's fault.